What are the most common questions sellers ask during an Amazon PPC Q&A session? What I'm noticing a lot is people are asking questions that for them might seem relevant, but they are not. Most of the time, there's a lot of focus on what is the best tip and trick for my campaign, and they end up with getting answered the wrong question. Don't get me wrong, because the purpose of these sessions are to answer your questions. I would always step back and first be sure of the fact that I understand the basics, I understand the fundamentals. When it comes down to basics and fundamentals, understanding how Amazon ads work, and then understanding how do I bid efficiently, and then understanding what is a campaign structure, what should be within my campaign. And then those are things that you are going to master, to be honest, maybe 2 years. It has to be at least what I'm seeing on my end, 2 years. Now I know what I'm doing, because beforehand, if there's no guidance on your end, and if you're not watching this type of session and you're not asking the right questions, what you're going to end up with is false positive that you know what you're doing. You're going to run your own ads. Right after this session, I'm going to meet with someone also running their own ads. They're spending lots of money on ads and they're not sure that they're doing the right thing. So that's why I'm saying that when it comes down to asking the right question should be, first up, where does the money go? Where does the money come from? And how profitable am I? If you know how to answer and quickly to check, I'm telling you, these are the basics that are going to be helping you to master the craft.